Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied second lesson, Go and Come. Short story of a boy's family we studied yesterday, right? I think you remember that story which I have told you. And today, whatever we have learned yesterday about the boy's family, related to that lesson, there are some questions I have written on board, and we are going to find out those questions answers. Okay, what we are going to find out? We are going to find out answers of those questions. Now here it is told, was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Now you know it very well. Boy was staying with a family, correct? Family had a big house, and in that cottage means what? Yesterday I told you, cottage means simple house was there. They had a simple house, and then in front of their house there was a garden, correct or not? And then in that garden they had so many different types of or various types of plants, and that garden need weeding and cleaning. What that garden need? Cleaning and weeding. So when boy stayed at home with his family, everyone used to clean garden. They used to do weeding. Weeding means what? They used to remove unwanted plants. They used to cut the dried leaves of the plants. Then even they used to prune. Prune means what? If any grass is grown in the garden, they used to remove unwanted grass. This all things was done by the family members of the boy. Okay. Next, then it is told that after some days his uncle visited his house. When his uncle came at his house, then what he said? His uncle said him, boy, or then you can say, for example, name, if I'll take somebody's Om, then Om, why are you playing in the house? Please go out and clean the garden. If you will do weeding of your garden needs weeding. Weeding means what? Removing, cutting the dried branches, or then cleaning the garden. So these all things we studied yesterday. These all points we studied yesterday. And then your question is asked, was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? No, it was not wrong, because students should learn to clean their surrounding. Are you understanding or not? Students should learn to clean their surrounding. Not only they should get up in the morning, they should clean their teeth by brushing teeth. Then they should take bath, clean their body by taking bath. Then wear fancy clothes, comb their hair. Only they should do that much, or what? Cleaning ourselves is only important, or what? No, cleaning our house is important. First of all, before cleaning your house, cleaning your room is important. Keeping your clothes properly is important. Keeping your bags properly in one corner, keeping your books in shelf is important. So these all things each and everyone should learn. Okay, so it is not wrong. Answer of this question will be what? No. The boy was told correct, right? Was it wrong to tell boy to weed the garden? No, it was not wrong. It was not wrong to tell boy to weed the garden, because it is everybody's responsibility in the family to keep their garden clean. We love our gardens. You go and sit in garden, you have cup of tea in garden, you have cup of milk in garden, and then it is whose responsibility to take care of that garden? It is our responsibility to take care of garden. So then here this answer is what? No, it is not. It was not wrong. Uncle was very disciplined. Uncle was very strict. No problem. What did boy say him? Boy said his uncle, no uncle, I will not go now. I am playing in the house. After my playing, I will go out and then clean the garden. But what did his uncle said? Uncle was hardworking person. He said, instead of wasting your time inside the house, you go out and clean the garden by weeding it. And that thing made boy what? He became angry. He said, no, I will not weed the garden, or I will not prune the plants which are grown, or grass which is grown in the garden. I will not do it. And so he was angry. But instead of getting angry, or instead of becoming angry on his uncle, he started weeping, correct or not? He started crying. Instead of doing that, if he would have said, yes uncle, after 2 minutes I will go, or then as soon as uncle had told him, he would have gone out and cleaned the garden. It was okay, fine. And that would made his family members happy, right? I gave you example of one boy, Yash I said, or Om I said. Then Om if goes out and cleans his garden, his mother will be happy because the most hard working person in your house is your mother. She has to cook food, she has to clean your clothes, she has to clean utensils, she has to clean your house, she has to take care of garden. If there are pet animals, she has to take care of those pet animals, she has to take care of her kids. So everywhere she cannot go and do work. Are you getting or not? You should help or not to your parents. And if you will help them, the most happiest person in your house will be your mother. Okay, so here first answer is what? No, it was not wrong to tell boy to weed the garden. So you can write down answer of this question. No. You have to write down, you don't have to write down answers in one word. You have to write down no. You have to write down what? For example, answer no. It was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Okay, now second question in the exercise is given is, was the boy naughty? Now this question is actually a little funny question, because each and every child is naughty. Yes or no? There is naughtiness in everybody. Everyone is mischievous. Correct? If you are sitting on bench also, what you do? You pinch other. Correct? You pinch other, or then you kick other, or then you have pencils, you poke your pencils to your partner who's sitting on your bench. Then that partner will shout, ma'am, 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 he's beating me, she's beating me, giving bad words. These all things are very common in small kids. Correct? So then boy will be naturally naughty because he was playing in the house. He was playing in the house, so naturally each and every child is a naughty, and everyone has naughtiness inside them. Correct? Even we are also naughty. We are elder ones. I'm bigger than you. Then also there is naughtiness in everyone. So answer of this question is what? Yes. Yes. The boy was naughty. Correct? If he was not naughty, he would have said his uncle, okay uncle, I will go and weed the garden. But he was naughty, so what he said? No, I will not go now. Right now I want to play. I will not go and weed the garden. Next question which we have taken in the exercise, or which we have written on the board is, did the boy's mother want him to work? No, mother was not knowing what discussion was going between uncle and boy, but then when he was crying, so his mother just went from there where the uncle and the boy was discussing, and then she saw him crying. Uncle left that place, but our boy was crying, sitting and crying over there. So mother said, what is problem, what had happened? So boy told her that uncle told me to go outside and weed the garden now, right now. He said, don't play, go out and weed the garden. So did the boy's mother want him to work? Actually she didn't want, but when uncle, if your elder ones are telling you something to do, if they will tell you, please can you bring one glass of water, you should say yes, I will bring. Okay, you should not say no, I will not bring, you go and take. If someone will ask you, can you help me in doing work of house, you should say yes, I will help. And if it is not possible, you try to do it. After that you can say, it is too much for me now, I will not help you, I will stop now. So this is the manners which you should have. Okay, then here mother didn't want, but then how mother took him outside in the garden, and he helped his mother. What mother said, Arey, weeding the garden is the best, it is the best work which I like. And she took sickle, and then she went out and she said her child, come on, let us go and enjoy, we will chat over there, we will laugh over there, we will have so many jokes over there. And then happily they went out, both of them went out, and they did weeding of the garden. So actually mother wanted what? No, but then it happened because she wanted to teach him social work, you can say, and to be social and to be obedient to the elder ones. Okay, so you can write down your answer. You can write down here, yes, boy's mother wanted. You can write down no, boy's mother did not want him to work. But then as she was discussing with him, he went out and he helped his mother. Okay, next question is here, write 3 to 5 lines about any grown up person. Now you have to write down your favorite any grown up person in your family. You have to write down about any one person in your house, okay, with whom you spend more time. Now many students will write down of their mother and father, correct or not? Mainly mothers, because we are too much close to our mother. Yes or no? Are you close to your mother? Yes. There are some students, they are close to even father, but then they are close to their father for what? Only for chocolates, only for chips, correct or not? If they want pencils, then pencil, compass, box, then they need father, because every time pocket is filled with money of whose? Of their fathers. And if you want to eat sweet dish, then you need whom? You need father or mother? You need mother. So you can write down 3 to 5 lines about any one grown up person in your house. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write down 3 to 5 lines of any one grown up person. For example, if I want to write of any one grown up person in my family, then I will write about my mother. Then I will say my mother is most hardworking person in my house. She takes my care. Now at present I am not there at my mother's house, then also she had taken my care, lot of care she had taken mine. Then I got education only because of her. I could study hard only because of her guidance. So you can write down 3 to 4 lines about any one grown up person in your house. I think you have understood the story. What was the name of the lesson? Go and come. And I have explained you 4 questions and their answers I have given you. There are second question, third question and fourth question in your textbook. There are 3 questions in your textbook. How many questions are there? Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 4 is very easy. Copy the words. You have to just copy those words. You have to see and write down. Different, believed, discipline, naughty, readily. Question number 2 and question number 3. You have to read and find out answers in the paragraphs. Okay, I think you have understood the lesson. Okay, we'll wind up. Thank you.